Hey y'all, it's Danielle from Large Family Homestead. You all wanted to know what we do in a day, so we picked Friday to show you. There's my schedule. I always start the day out with a schedule. It keeps us on track and helps me remember things when I can't remember what's next. Most days on the homestead start out with taking care of all the animals. We have a lot of animals to take care of right now, between the 3 dogs, the ducks, the baby chicks, the adult chicks, some meat birds that we're raising, and of course, those beautiful cows. We had to run a few errands, such as buying some pineapple for a fruit salad I wanted to make. And then my older girls took my younger girls blueberry picking. It was such a fun experience for my 4 girls to hang out together and do something fun, and everyone in the house enjoyed having a lot of blueberries. We are also still making trips to the dairy until our cow decides to have her baby. My boys helped out with some cleaning projects. This job they took on all by themselves. I walked out of the room and came back, and there they were, working together on cleaning the windows in our addition. Even Danny got in on the job. We recently got a new farm truck that we desperately needed, so the boys spent some time putting in new plugs and giving it a tune-up and getting it all ready for our jobs. Here we are preparing that yummy fruit salad for Saturday. Even Danny wanted to help, but his idea of helping was more about scooping out coconut to eat. We don't like to do a lot of cooking on Saturdays because it's our day to relax as a family, so I try to have the food prepared ahead of time, and this is all the ingredients I needed for my queso on Saturday in the crock pot: cream cheese, shredded cheese, salsa verde, and ground beef. We also cut up some fresh veggies and some cheese just to have a little platter out on Saturday for anyone that wants a healthy snack. The big adventure was making sure that the cows had the food that they needed for the weekend, making sure that they had their hay. I take a few minutes here to stop and pet Buttercup and show her some love, and then the boys back the new farm truck into the gate and drop off the hay, except Marigold has other plans for that. And although it's hard to see, there's our Marigold ripping the bale of hay right out of the back of the truck. She couldn't even wait for us to bring it in and put it in her hay box. At the end of our night, we finished preparations for company we were having over with some homemade chicken pot pie and sourdough cookies. If you guys like videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon.